Two giants in analytics go head-to-head. One big question: which one really delivers? On the left, Mixpanel, deep analytics for user engagement. And on the right, Microsoft Power BI, business intelligence for everyone. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might surprise you.
Here's how we're going to organize this showdown. Core focus, pricing, data visualization, integrations, ease of use, scalability, support and resources, and user ratings. Yep, pretty much everything that matters when you're choosing between these two. I'll walk you through each category, so buckle up.
First up, core focus. With Mixpanel, it's all about product analytics, funnels, retention tracking, real-time event data. Seriously, if you want to know what your users are up to inside your app, Mixpanel's dialed in. But forget about traditional BI dashboards here. This isn't really built for those giant org-wide reports. Now, Microsoft Power BI flips it. It's king for business intelligence dashboards and making sense of data across the whole company. KPI monitoring? Yes, please. But don't expect those fancy user journey breakdowns. So in the end, both do exactly what they're meant for. So I'm calling this one a tie.
Okay, pricing, where things get kind of spicy.
Mixpanel is usage-based, which, I mean, sounds economical, right? But, oh man, once your app grows, that price jumps fast. It's honestly a headache for startups and small businesses. Your bill can balloon before you know it. Power BI, though, comes out swinging with flexible subscription tiers and solid per-user pricing. The licensing is confusing, though. Like, you probably need a diagram just to figure it all out. Still, if we're talking value, Power BI's got the edge here. Let's talk visuals. Mixpanel's got those slick funnels, cohort charts, and retention curves. Super cool for tracking product metrics. But when you need those gorgeous interactive dashboards with custom visualizations, you'll feel a bit limited. And that's where Power BI just flexes. Interactive reports, custom visuals, even third-party add-ons. Basically, there's almost too much. It's actually overwhelming if all you need is something simple. But if you love data art, you'll be in heaven. Winner? Power BI. No contest. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Mixpanel actually pioneered event-based analytics in the whole SaaS world. And Power BI? It started as a little spin-off from Excel, then blew up into Microsoft's superstar business intelligence platform. Kind of wild how these two came up totally differently, right? Next, integrations. Mixpanel hooks up nicely with app analytics and some marketing tools. So if you're in a startup or SaaS world, it's super handy. But for enterprise-level BI, yeah, options are kind of thin. Now, Power BI, this thing's like the Swiss Army knife of integrations. Deep hooks into Microsoft 365, Azure, Excel, and it connects with a ton of databases and cloud sources. Only catch, a lot of the best stuff shines with the Microsoft ecosystem. But still, Power BI wins this round. Ease of use. Okay, this is always my favorite part. Mixpanel is pretty user-friendly, especially for product teams just diving in. You can start tracking stuff in no time, but don't be fooled. Once you get into complex features, there's a learning curve, and the interface can feel a bit much. Power BI, it's smooth if you're just creating dashboards. And hey, the natural language query thing is wild, but let's be honest. As soon as you dip into DAX formulas or Power Query, you're in for some tears. Also, if you're not a Microsoft person, setup's definitely slower. So yeah, both are approachable, but get tricky fast. We'll call this one a tie. Scalability. Mixpanel is awesome when you're growing a digital product super fast, and it'll keep up. But once you're scaling to the enterprise, prices go wild, and sometimes performance just can't keep up with huge volumes. On the other hand, Power BI is like a tank. Massive datasets, enterprise features, and security that'll make IT happy. It can get resource intensive for huge orgs, but it's built to handle that scale. So yeah, Power BI takes this one. Support and resources. Mixpanel's got a responsive team, but honestly, I found their documentation kinda light, and you wind up wishing for more self-serve help. Power BI, as you'd expect from Microsoft, throws down with tons of documentation, training resources, and that brand name support. Sure, response times vary based on your plan, but overall, Power BI wins in this department. Last comparison, user ratings. Mixpanel, huge user base. It's everywhere. But the average rating is a little lower, around 3.97 out of 5. Power BI, though, scores better with a 4.3 out of 5. It's got fewer total reviews, but, you know, when people are happy, they're happy. So, for sheer satisfaction, Power BI sneaks ahead. If you love a good chart, Picture this. Power BI is just dominating across categories like data visualization, integrations, scalability, and support. But Mixpanel is keeping up wherever deep product analytics are needed. You can actually see the strength of each depending on your needs. So, here's my final take. If you care about in-depth product analytics and really want to know what your users are doing, Mixpanel should be your go-to. But if business-wide dashboards, smart reporting, and those sweet Microsoft integrations are what you need, go with Power BI. Seriously, let your use case make the decision for you. Did this help clarify your analytics roadmap? Go ahead, save this comparison for your next software decision. Trust me, you'll thank yourself later.